Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we're looking at this 2016 Volkswagen Caddy fridge van C20. This van is available for £10,000 or £55 per week on finance. This van is Euro 6, has overnight standby, Bluetooth radio, a spare key and nice alloy wheels. Let's take a look inside. Now, as you can see on the inside, there are 2 seats, no tears or rips. Right here, you've got your Bluetooth radio and multimedia, some controls here for the back and some other controls here as well. And there's your steering wheel and dash. Let's take a look at the back. Now, as I move round to the back, I'll just point out to you that is your port for the overnight standby right there. And this is your fridge unit. Nice and spacious. And if I move you round to the side, I'll show you in the passenger side as well. So we're now looking underneath the hood of this 2016 Volkswagen Caddy fridge van. Let's take a quick look. All nice and tidy, and this is a 1.6 engine. Let's take it for a test drive. So we're now inside this 2016 Volkswagen Caddy fridge van. We'll take it for a quick test drive. Let's go. As I said in the tour, this is a 1.6 engine. Very nice and smooth drive. Got your multimedia right down here, right next to the gear stick, in a very convenient place. As we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake check. Brakes are really good, sharp and responsive. As you can see, the steering is nice and responsive too. It's going to be it for this 2016 Volkswagen Caddy fridge van. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour and hope you all have a nice day.